If you've lost access to your WebMoney account and don't have your phone number available, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the WebMoney website. Go to the official WebMoney website. Look for the Help or Support section where you can find information about account recovery. Step 2. Locate the account recovery option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Fill out the recovery form. Complete the account recovery form with the required information. This may include your email address, account number, and any other identifying information that can help verify your identity. Step 4. Provide additional verification. Be prepared to provide additional verification if requested. This could include answering security questions, providing identification documents, or confirming transactions made from your account. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your recovery request, wait for a response from WebMoney support. They will guide you through the next steps based on your situation and the information you provided. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from WebMoney. Following the instructions provided by the support team will help you regain access to your account.